Hi, future doctors. We are thrilled to have you back with us today. Welcome back to Medicam YouTube, your go-to channel for all things medical and educational. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of parasitology, specifically focusing on jiggers and how to safely remove them from the human foot. This is an essential skill for any aspiring medical professional. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for instant updates. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. This is a detailed guide, so stick around till the end. We promise it will be worth your time. And for more information, check out the description section below. We have included additional resources and links for your convenience. Alright, let's get into it. Make sure you have all your tools and materials ready. Removing jiggers, also known as Tunga penetrans, from the foot requires precise and sterile techniques to avoid infection and complications. This tiny parasite can cause significant discomfort and health issues if not handled properly. Here's a step-by-step guide you need to follow. Pay close attention to each step to ensure a safe and effective removal process. 1. Start by gathering all necessary supplies, including antiseptic solutions like iodine or alcohol. 1. Ensure you have sterile needles, scalpels, and tweezers ready for the procedure. 1. Have sterile gauze, clean bandages, disposable gloves, and clean water on hand. 1. Pain relief medication can be helpful, especially if the patient is experiencing significant discomfort. Optional. 1. Begin by thoroughly washing your hands with soap and water to maintain hygiene. 1. Put on disposable gloves to keep things hygienic and prevent contamination. 1. Clean the affected area with antiseptic solution to reduce the risk of infection. This step is crucial for preventing complications. 1. Carefully examine the foot to locate the jiggers. They appear as tiny black dots with a surrounding swollen area. Use a magnifying glass if necessary for better visibility. 1. Once identified, prepare to remove the jigger. 1. Sterilize your needle and scalpel to ensure they are free from any contaminants. 1. Gently pierce the skin above the jigger, being careful not to puncture too deeply. This step requires a steady hand and precision. 1. Use sterile tweezers to gently pull out the jigger. Be patient and gentle to avoid breaking the parasite. Make sure to remove the entire parasite, including its egg sac, to prevent further infection. Incomplete removal can lead to complications. 1. If the jigger is difficult to remove, apply more antiseptic solution and try again carefully. Persistence and caution are key here. 1. Once the jigger is removed, clean the wound thoroughly with antiseptic solution. 1. Apply antibiotic ointment to the wound to prevent infection. This helps in faster healing and reduces the risk of complications. 1. Cover the area with a clean bandage or sterile gauze. This protects the wound from external contaminants. 1. Regularly inspect the wound for any signs of infection such as redness, swelling, or pus. 1. Keep the area clean and dry, changing the bandage daily or as needed. Proper wound care is essential for recovery. 1. Consider taking pain relief medication if necessary. This can help manage any discomfort during the healing process. 1. To prevent future infestations, avoid walking barefoot in areas where jiggers are common. 1. Regularly inspect your feet and other exposed skin for signs of jiggers. Early detection is crucial for effective treatment. 1. Keep living areas clean and free of dust and sand where jiggers may breed. Maintaining a clean environment reduces the risk of infestation. 1. Use insect repellents and wear protective footwear in endemic areas. These preventive measures can significantly reduce the risk of jigger infestations. If you're unsure about the removal process or if the infestation is severe, it's always best to seek medical attention. Professional help ensures safe and effective treatment. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Medicam YouTube, a great source of medical knowledge. We are committed to providing you with the best educational content. Don't forget to leave a thoughtful comment below. Your feedback helps us improve and bring more valuable content to you. See you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep learning.